75 years, Big Joe has powered America's industrial operations with equipment that empowers people to work more efficiently. Today, that same commitment also drives how we design, test, manufacture, and support the power systems that fuel all our material handling solutions. At Big Joe, our focus is solely electric, and at the heart of every truck we produce is an industry-proven lithium-ion battery designed by Big Joe specifically for the most rugged industrial applications. Every battery coming off our line is a culmination of 10 years worth of experience. That level of commitment and experience ensures all our Big Joe batteries provide the highest levels of quality, durability, and reliability customers expect. By owning and managing every aspect of the supply chain and manufacturing process, we ensure consistency, quality, performance, and value. When you choose Big Joe, you deserve nothing less. Before our batteries go into the truck, every pack is tested rigorously. Every connection is verified. Every battery is built with the same level of quality that has become synonymous with the Big Joe name. Every Big Joe Class 1 sit-down counterbalance truck comes standard with Pulse, which utilizes telematics to remotely monitor the battery's state of charge, energy consumption, temperature, and onboard diagnostics. With Big Joe Pulse, customers are provided with the highest levels of confidence the battery is optimized for their operation throughout the life of the truck. Confidence in your choice of forklift should never stop at the battery. As a leader in electrification, Big Joe's proven capabilities in manufacturing both battery and truck as a seamless and integrated system just makes sense. At Big Joe, we are powering progress through our never-ending quest to deliver disruptive solutions aimed at satisfying our customers.